biggest benefit of my surgery was actually regaining use of my arm. Um, the reason for my surgery, I actually slipped on a trailer moving furniture and fell on a piece of steel and tore my rotator cuff and bicep, and I literally could not move my left arm. So I was scared to have the surgery. I've heard a lot of rumors about it being painful, but after the surgery, it's just been, I've got 100% use of my arm again. So I'm feeling really great. Hi, my name is John Harmon, and I had rotator cuff and bicep surgery back in January of 2020 and with Dr. Clegg, and I feel absolutely great. My wife and I own our own business, so we're kind of like a retail store. We sell used clothing, used furniture, and so I'm always lifting furniture. I'm able to do that again. I'm also able to actually lay on my arm on one side. I was only able to lay on one side before the surgery, now I can lay either side I want. So that's another benefit. I just feel great. I just feel normal. I feel 100% like I never even had any surgery at all. It feels great.
We got him now, full range of motion, pain-free, really doing well. You know, he's such a nice guy. He's always helping people, so it's good to see him back, you know, being able to do that, and to see a smile on his face. You know, he was in pretty rough shape and seems to be very pleased with it. So we're, again, very happy for him.
I wouldn't have anyone do my surgery but him in the future. If I ever had broken another bone, I wouldn't even think about going to anybody else. It'd be Dr. Clegg. Very professional. He's playing the step by step each way. Even after follow-up, he called me. He checked on me several times during 8 weeks that I was off work and asked how I was doing. And I was surprised to get after calls from a doctor. So that was pretty impressive. But what I can do again is probably the joy of my life is actually hold my grandkids. I have 2 granddaughters, so I'm actually able to carry them now in my arms. Before I couldn't do that. And I'm able to do golf with my son. So I'm able to swing golf club. So 100%, I'm just happy as can be.